so we're in Walmart right now, and we decided today that we're gonna do like a little challenge,
but we don't know what.
Instead of a vlog. We just went to Walmart and trying to like find something to do because we have absolutely no idea what we want to do. I'll just keep you guys updated, and you'll find out what we're doing. Okay, so I think what we decided we're gonna do is we're gonna make like a 3-tiered cake
for Valentine's Day.
So we found this thing where we're gonna put cakes or whatever in here, and we're gonna get like different colored icings and make it really awesome. So we'll just see what we can do. We're gonna test our cooking abilities today, and you guys are gonna come with us and see how it turns out. Okay, so we have everything that we need. We have some pans,
Some fondant,
some cake batter, white flour decorations,
icing, our measuring cups,
and Valentine sprinkles, and these things. What are they called? Things.
Pipe things.
Okay, so let's get started. I'm gonna open this up. Everyone has their own little mixing bowl. We don't know how this is gonna turn out because
we're not professional bakers.
Yeah, but Sophie says she knows stuff because she watches cooking shows.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, this is not enough.
1/3 cup vegetable oil.
I don't know.
You might be able to do 2 of these.
Yeah.
3 eggs. I don't like to crack eggs.
Why?
Because I'm not good at it. Oh, shit. I got shell in it. Yum.
Wait, a substitute for what?
Vegetable oil. Did you get shell in there?
Nope. I just got all over my hands.
1 tablespoon of olive oil.
Oh, we have olive oil.
Canola oil.
Just use olive oil.
I need to mix this. Oh wait, we have to put it back.
Do we blend it all together?
What's that? I'm just getting nervous.
I need 3 eggs.
Sophia's gonna have some trouble because her bowl is smaller. Should I get you a bigger bowl?
I know, and hers might overflow. Let's look at mine. She's gonna have the same amount of the cake thing.
Oh, the pink one? Oh.
Yeah. You're just gonna put it all in there.
Aww, such a pretty color. It smells so good.
I know, I want to eat it.
Smell like strawberries?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, you're just gonna have to be diligent.
Yeah, you have to be
The
careful.
worst person who did this is me.
Yeah, I know. So.
But that's the whole point. We're just trying to keep. Oh my gosh, this is gonna overflow.
It's like at the tippy top. This smells so
I
good.
know, it smells like strawberry cheesecake.
Yum. Oh, right? Preheated.
That was actually fast.
I know. Yeah, so we're just gonna stir all this ingredients together. Everyone working as a team. Teamwork makes a dream work, baby.
Yep. That's our inspiration for y'all for the day.
Yep. And so this cake, I don't think we told you guys, but it's gonna be Valentine's Day themed. Did
Yeah.
we tell them that?
I don't think so.
Because you know Valentine's Day is coming up, so we gotta get in the mood. Have a little Galentine's Day.
Yep. Celebrating early.
Yeah. It's like less than a week
5 days
away.
It's 5 days away. Pink, white, pink, white.
Yeah, so that's what I'm saying. You're doing white and blue too. Over here. This is so like chunky. I wish I could eat
Mine's
it.
really chunky.
I can.
No, it's because it has strawberry stuff in it. And
Oh, we need to be preheating both ovens.
Oh. Because we'll put white in one and pink in one.
Like there's
We can do Q&As to each other.
Okay.
We can start with Sophia.
wait,
What's your favorite hobby?
I'm not really sure. Actually,
Are you single?
nope.
Okay.
And that's why we're celebrating Valentine's Day.
All right, we just need to spray these.
Am I gonna get sick?
No, you can lick it. You just can't eat this whole thing.
Delicious.
Let's try it.
Okay, so these two are white, so
Yep.
remember that, Sophie.
Can you handle that? I think so.
Alright, go
Wait,
at
we
it,
need to
girl.
do the sides.
Oh, I always forget that.
Ow. Okay. So what I just threw it in there? Just dump it in there.
Sophia, don't you dare. Don't!
You almost ruined the whole cake.
Oh yeah.
I think this is only gonna fill this up.
I need to get this out.
These might be super thin. I don't think I'm gonna be able to fit the top layer.
Okay, that's fine. We'll just do strawberry. But like, we're just winging this thing.
Because this is like super duper thin right now. This will go in here. Oh yeah, weren't we gonna mix it?
Can I use that up here?
Yeah, we can mix it a little bit. How much do I put in here? This thing is huge.
So this might just be like a 3-tier cake.
This one's gonna be.
I should have done the 3 smaller pans.
I know. That's what
That would have been way smarter.
I have to go with my clothes. Oh my gosh, this is a mess.
Yeah, it's fine. Baking is all about getting messy, right?
Right.
What if I just spread this out like a pro baker? We don't know how long to bake them each because they're all different sizes. I guess we can just like time it like that. Isn't it good?
Yeah, that's really good. What?
Sophia's gonna be a pro baker when she's older.
Well, actually,
Do we want to mix the colors a little bit?
No. I think we should just keep it.
yeah, that's fine.
Okay. Depending on how big each pan is. So how do we figure that out? Is it on the bottom of the pan?
It might have been on this.
I don't think.
Look.
Oh, it tells us. Okay, we'll do
So that
in a
one's
minute
like-
once we put these in.
But I don't think we should cook it like the longest amount, you know what I
No,
mean?
yeah. Do it the shortest amount and then look.
Okay, and then that one. And then mine. So like on
The bottom. These are just pans, I think.
perfect.
Okay, so now set a timer on your phone. So we're gonna wait for these to bake and then while we're waiting, we have to do this. What do we have to do?
We have to like flatten it out.
Oh, all right. Well, let's just get that started. Now it's time for the
Fondant. Fondant.
whatever you like to call it at home. We're just spending time with your family and friends on Valentine's Day. So first we're gonna do what we like to call kneading. So this is where it gets fun. So you put one hand on top of the other and you just... If you want to be a baker in the business, you have to have muscles.
Like us.
And that's the only reason why I work out every day. So I can do
So
this.
when I open in New York City, I'll have all the muscles.
So I can impress you guys.
Biggest push.
That's good.
Okay, I think that's enough.
Nope.
Nope, we're
not.
still on.
So what's you guys' favorite thing to receive on Valentine's Day? Like candy, teddy bear, chocolate?
Diamond ring.
That just like explains Sophia perfectly.
Jacob, if you're watching, get her a diamond ring.
If you don't, she's breaking up with you. Mom, you want to come say hi?
Hi.
This is my mom.
Hello. Lisa.
We're baking this cake for her.
Thank you guys.
Because it's
So
you're
sweet.
Because you're my Valentine.
Aw, you're so sweet.
Do we have all the icing prepared and ready?
Yeah.
Alright, I need you to hold the cutting board for me. See? This is how you bake a cake. You just need 3
She means
swirls.
fondant.
Yeah.
This is how you bake
All you need is 2 friends to come over while I hold the cutting board for you. And you just... It's the power of friendship. Okay, we're about 20 minutes out, so we're gonna do a little sneak peek. Looking good. They're actually getting tall. And it smells so good. Looks like a roasted marshmallow.
I know.
So excited! We are back.
The cakes have about 2 minutes left.
We lost a member, she had to go. We're gonna finish out strong.
We're at 1 minute and 18 seconds.
So I think we're just gonna take it out now. This baby is ready.
Just whip it out of there.
Already.
Toothpick.
This
Where
is
are your
the
toothpicks?
product.
It looks
It
yummy.
smells really good. I wish you guys could smell through the phone.
Just do it yourself. It's ready.
Yay! Okay, it's ready.
Wait, where do we put it? Now. I don't know.
What do you put like a
Cake on.
cake on?
A plate?
Maybe we're just here, right?
Okay, sure.
And we'll have like a little
So now we need
little
a
spinny thing.
done.
Done.
Wow.
Beautiful bronze angel.
Ready? Should we try this one?
Actually for us.
This is great. It's not meant to be like real bakers. This is just our something.
I know. This is our calling.
See, that looks like it won't fit on there.
It may. It will.
But,
This thing?
wow.
Yep, looking at the big boy. Oh, God.
We need just like a knife. There. So serious in here.
I bet I have some tools.
Yeah, Emma's a professional, so I'm sure she has.
Yeah, I'm sure I have something. Cake scooper.
Yeah, that is a cake scooper.
Look, you know me.
Yep.
Okay, pray for us.
There, boy, there, boy.
Okay, so we're back. We let the cakes cool a little bit because I guess we were supposed to do that.
I guess that's what you do in the baking world, Jay.
So Sophie just said on her cooking show she watches, they cut the top off.
To make it even. So
make
when you
it
stack
even.
it, it's not uneven.
So do we do that while it's in the pan?
No.
Oh. So there's a
pretty
little
good.
bit
We'll
left
just eat
over.
it.
Wow.
Wow.
Let's start
We
doing
baked
that.
this perfectly.
Long story.
Long story short.
No.
I don't just cut the cake.
Yep.
Okay, no, Emma.
It's next.
Yeah,
on
I
the
need to
top.
show you where. Oh, watch. Okay.
For us.
Okay, let's just leave it.
We're not that professional, so
Yeah.
you know.
So now we're just gonna
these
ice
things
it.
don't- I'm gonna use whatever this is. I've never seen this in my life.
Oh wait, we have to make sure it's like not hot so it doesn't melt.
Yeah, I don't think it's hot. It's just warm. We'll do a test run. Yeah, it's good.
Are you sure?
Yep.
So the camera stopped, but we did ice the second layer.
Looking a little rough.
It looks perfect, actually.
Yeah. Also, we added some aprons.
Yeah, because it's getting a little messy here in the kitchen.
Yeah, so hers says, I love the cook, which is herself and me.
Yep.
And mine says that I kiss better than I cook. So now we're gonna
It's just like really sticky.
do the fondant, which is a little risky and scary. And all we're gonna do is lay it on top. And so we're having some technical difficulties and
we
the
had to
camera
move
stopped
to my
again.
phone.
But we put the fondant on. It looks very great.
We did step 4, which is smooth and trim.
Yeah.
It's really not super smooth.
It's not smooth at all, but we're first timers, so.
Yeah, maybe we'll get a close up.
Wow. Don't show them this part. Okay, so here's our awesome top layer. Now we're gonna take this and simply add it to the top. So, what we're gonna do is just pick it up gently and add it to the first layer. Voila! Wow, it's looking good. Oh, Valentine's vibes. Oh yeah, we'll do the third group too. Yeah. We're gonna do the third layer now. So, take our little pan, get the knife. We're gonna go around town.
A few circles.
Maybe this will be our best icing job.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm just gonna grab a slab
Let's get into it.
and go. We have to put frosting on top of this.
Yeah, we do, so it'll stick.
Careful.
Don't go too far out.
Oh yeah.
Right here.
I'll just let you do it. Good. So now we're gonna take this and lift it and put it on top. This is bomb. I mean, come on. Come on.
Give us some credit here.
It does look good. What do you mean? Okay, yeah, we're not done.
No, we're not even close to that. We have some pink icing. We have some white flowers, sprinkles, other icing. Well, we actually need to finish the side on this.
So now we're gonna get into the decorating portion of the video.
Why don't we do the flowers all around here? And then here is where we'll do like polka
Okay,
dot.
so maybe I should turn it this way so it looks a little better. Well, looks good from both sides because we're that good.
Yeah,
So
it looks good.
I'm just gonna start by adding
Wow.
some little decorations around the block.
How do you open this thing? Oh wait, do you have to cut? Do this, and then I'm just gonna stick the flower on that. I don't know if the flower will even like go into the...
Boom.
Wow.
That's what we call a good cake right there.
And we made these.
Yeah, we made these flowers from scratch in the oven.
Yeah. So.
Our decorating skills might turn this thing around. Things are looking up now.
Yeah, these are definitely looking up for us. I think that's it.
That's it.
So now we're gonna bring y'all in for like a close-up.
All right, I'm not gonna lie, like it turned out pretty good.
Yeah.
So just comment below rating 1 to 10.
Yeah.
I rate it an 11.
I rate it a 12.
Now we're gonna do the first cut of the night. Here we go.
There. Like it actually looks cute.
It does. Okay, here's the final taste test.
Here we go.
I'm scared. All right. Here we go.
3,
2, 1. Mmm. It's really good. It may not look amazing, but it tastes amazing.
Tastes great.
Well, thank you guys for coming along our cooking journey. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you were impressed. We'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.